Hey PayPal users, want to transfer your money from PayPal to your Naya Pay account in Pakistan? PayPal isn't directly available in Pakistan, but you can use a workaround with your bank as a bridge. I'll show you how to do it step by step. So you need to log in into your PayPal. As you can see on the right, I've already done that. To confirm your PayPal balance and ensure your bank account is linked under Wallet, link a bank. So you go to Wallet. Okay, and now you need to link a card by pressing this button. All right, and in here, as you can see, you type in your bank details and the details of your card number and etc. Download the Naya Pay app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up with your SNIC and note your 24-digit IBAN in Add Money per Help Naya Pay. PayPal does not directly transfer to Naya Pay, so you'll need a Pakistani bank account. I missed linking my bank once, do not skip it. In PayPal, you need to go to the wallet, transfer money, transfer to your bank. Let me show you. So you go to wallet, transfer money. So in here, there's going to be your card and there will be an option to transfer the money to your bank account, basically to your bank card. It's missing for me because I don't have a card linked, but in your case, everything is going to be great. After that, choose 1 to 3 days, which is free, or in minutes, which is 1.5% fee, up to $15, and enter the amount. Standard transfers take 1 to 3 business days. Instant takes minutes, but check bank eligibility. Confirm the transfer, ensure names match exactly to avoid rejections. Log into your bank's mobile app or internet banking and add your Naya Pay accounts as a beneficiary using your Naya Pay IBAN or mobile number. Select Naya Pay, enter the amounts and complete any security checks. Funds transfer instantly via IBFT or RAST and you'll get a Naya Pay notification. Check your bank for any transfer fees. That's pretty much it, my friends. Any questions? Share below. Like and subscribe and ring the bell for more money transfer hacks. See you in the next one.